All right, with question 37, we've entered into part 4. So you'll notice that these part 4 questions are are worth more and require a little bit more work. So we need to express this this big rational expression in simplest form. Okay, so there's going to be a lot of factoring going on, and I'm going to try to do a bunch of steps at once. All right. So here I have the expression written out, 2x squared minus 8x minus 42 divided by 6x squared. That divided by x squared minus 9 over x squared minus 3x. Okay? So the first thing I notice is that 2x squared minus 8x minus 42, I can factor out a 2 from that expression. So I'm going to do that first. We're going to have 2 x squared minus 4x minus 21, okay? And nothing I can do with 6x squared, so I'm going to leave that alone. Now, when I divide by a fraction, that's the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. So I'm going to multiply x squared minus 3x over x squared minus 9. Okay, so I did two things at once. In that step. If it seems a little confusing, rewind the video, take a look at it again. But we're going to move on now. So in this next step, I see a quadratic trinomial here, x squared minus 4x minus 21. So I can factor that out. I want factors of negative 21 that add up to negative 4. Okay, and that's going to be positive 3 and negative 7. Okay? Still nothing we can do with the 6x squared. We're just going to leave that alone for now. Over here now, we have x squared minus 3x in the numerator. There's a common factor of x in each of these terms. So this is going to be x times x minus 3. All right? And down here, x squared minus 9, classic difference of two squares. Okay, so this is going to be x plus 3 times x minus 3. All right? Okay, and now when we look at this expression, let's look at things that we can cancel out. So first of all, very, very obvious, x minus 3 here, x minus 3 here, gone. Okay? There's an x plus 3 here and an x plus 3 here. Those are gone. All right. I have a term of x here and an x squared here, so I'm going to cancel those out. Well, not cancel those out. The x goes away, and this x squared becomes just plain old x. And 2 over 6, I can simplify that down to 1. I don't have to write the 1 there, over 3. Okay? So lots of cross-offs. Let's see what we're left with. We're basically left with x minus 7 in the numerator and a 3x in the denominator. Okay, so this whole radical expression expressed in simplest form is x minus 7 over 3x.